Me like cream cheese.
Me
Is
too.
there another one in there?
Gigi, what are you making?
We're gonna make salmon.
Tuna.
Salmon
We're
tuna.
gonna make salmon hearts.
Good.
We're gonna surprise you.
What are you doing?
I don't know, but everybody watching has seen him do that, and we've been totally blind of it. That's a lot of cream cheese, isn't it? What would Gigi possibly do with all that cream cheese?
Make it into salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon patty.
Salmon wonton. Look at the camera. Tell everybody. Salmon wonton.
Salmon wonton. Grandpa,
Dear boy.
do you know if I hid in there, you would never find me?
Well, I hope you don't hide in there because I don't want to never find you.
No, we wanna see you. We are going to break up the salmon. Flake it off.
Don't think I'm not going to eat some.
Is it already cooked?
Yeah.
Oh.
We just want to fry it.
I hope you don't like it.
Random.
No.
Whoops.
No. No.
Good.
Oh my gosh. He likes it. You see
Yeah.
the skin?
Yeah?
Yep.
We want it in
Just
little
pull back.
pieces because we're gonna. Whoa, not the.
There you go. Good job. Oh, nice. Great big piece right off the skin. I got to ask you a question. Who taught you how to hug so good?
Mama, because Mama does that to me.
Oh, Mama did that to you? Oh, she taught you well. You are such a good
Good
hugger.
thing you guys have another one.
Another what? Oh, we have another pan?
We got another pan.
What else are we cooking?
We're gonna put this on it once we get it all.
Mixed together?
Yeah.
Okay. Look what she's doing with it. She's putting it all in the cream cheese.
Did you go to?
Whoa.
This?
That's
Yeah,
the
no,
skin.
this
We
part
just
right
want
here.
the fish.
That right there.
Yeah, just push that right into the pan. Nice job. And this up here.
Uh-huh.
Yep. And this little piece here. And then I'll get all that right there.
Yeah.
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 Nice job, dude. You're a natural.
But we need to put this over there as harder.
The other skin? Yeah, probably.
I want to see what it looks like.
You want to see what the skin looks like?
Yeah.
Looks like the outside of a fish, doesn't it?
Probably feels like the outside of a fish
See?
too.
I feel.
Yeah.
Did
Isn't that cool?
you feel it?
Feel it, Gigi.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Boy, that's so good. Gigi cooked that perfect.
Oh, do perfect, didn't I?
Hug. Oh, I love you.
No, stop tickling me. I'm cooking.
We have the salmon and we have the cream cheese in the pan. We're going to add what?
Some parsley.
Or parsley.
Parsley.
What is parsley?
Goliath.
Scallions. Gigi, do you need me to cut up some scallions?
I do,
Where are you
as a
going?
matter of fact.
Let's go get some scallions out of the garden.
Not my garden, honey. Gotta mix it real good.
You want the scallions added?
Yes, please.
Okay, we're going to add scallions. This is going to be really good. It's much more professional than it's appearing to be right now. I'm doing a video without my hat.
Oh.
We're gonna have some mozzarella.
Holy shamoly.
This mozzarella stick. We're making mozzarella hearts.
Are you jamming, Remy? Oh, that's your phone, isn't it? The fake cell phone jams. The jams from China. Honey, I'm very impressed
With what?
with what you're making here.
You're really gonna be impressed when we eat it.
I bet I am. A lot of cream
Why do you
cheese.
have your hat?
I only take my hat off for one thing. We're making something for Valentine's Day.
We are, aren't we?
What are you making?
We're making salmon heart.
Heart shapes.
Salmon. Oh my gosh! Whoa, a giant just walked in front of the camera. No! No! Stop it!
Stop it.
Is that better?
Okay.
Let's go find our hats.
If it works like it's supposed to,
Uh-huh.
it'll be funny. Whoa! Yeah.
You're a cool cat. Aaron,
Yes.
come sit down here and make salmon patties with her, please.
We're gonna put it on the sheet and then spread it out.
Don't forget that little bit.
Now we're going to. You want to spread it with your hand?
I really do want to touch it. It smells fishy.
Aaron's here to help us finish our whatever this is.
Aaron shoots a lot of our videos.
I don't want it to be too thin.
I think it's gonna be thick.
Yeah, we like it thick. We're gonna throw this in the freezer for about an hour. Oh, how cute!
It came right out.
And I'm going to deep fry.
Could turn that into some magic.
And now it's time for the magic. We're going to do a little flour, egg wash, panko, and into the fryer. And we've got one ready to come out already.
Really?
Beautifully golden brown.
Oh my God, that is so cute.
That came out really nice.
Perfect.
Uh-oh. Oh, what a perfect heart.
Oh, I like it when a plan comes together,
They're so cute, it's not even funny.
right? It's so freaking cute.
They are, they're cute.
If this don't go viral, then I don't, like, we're gonna give up.
Please push it out, Share with your friends.
Those are freaking adorable.
Oh, that's so pretty. Tell everybody what you did.
We made some heart-shaped salmon, rangoon, cheese stick, panko. Yeah, you do it. I don't even know how to say it.
Heart-shaped salmon patties with cream cheese. You already did the ingredients for that. We deep fried them in some panko. We floured and egged and pankoed. And then we decorated them with heart-shaped cucumbers and heart-shaped tomatoes. That's about as sexy and romantic as it gets. What do you think?
I think so. I'm trying to wink at you, but
This is her winking.
wait, what did you do? Did you blink?
I did.
No, they'll see.
That you know how to
I
wink?
can wink.
Okay, go ahead. Can you do it without moving your mouth? Oh, nice. Okay, that's hot. These. Okay, we got to try these.
All right, we're gonna have some.
What are we dipping them in? Anything?
Are you gonna put? You want anything?
Do we have a dip?
We can dip. Let's just figure out what we want first. What do you?
We dip.
That's right.
Just like a burrito.
Cram it in her mouth right now.
Yes, please.
Cram it in. Everything you do from now on food-wise, you cram it in her mouth.
It's got to be a burrito.
Right?
Just shove it in her mouth.
Just do it right now.
No,
Just
I'm not
shove
going to
in
do
the
it.
mouth.
Well, I think you ought to be the first one to try it because this was your idea. They're beautiful. Go ahead.
She can't speak. It's so good she can't
She's
speak.
cleft.
That is amazing.
Is it?
But that was mine.
Well, no more.
You didn't even get any tomato and cucumber.
I wondered about the cucumber, but
Try
the
it.
cucumber adds a beautiful flavor to that.
All right. Amazing.
Wow. Wow. You got to make these.
We'll put it down below.
Man, is that good.
That was good. And it's the cucumber and the tomato is freaking
Right?
amazing too.
The cucumber adds this perfect flavor when you take that first bite. Put that down. Put that down.
Oh, yeah.
Put that down. Put that down. Right here. What? Explode.
I don't explode.
Explode. There you do. In case you missed it, everything is a heart.
So good.
The salmon patty is a heart. The cucumber is a heart. The tomato is a heart. You're so smart and so creative.
Aw. Thank you, honey.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Here, do it together.
Is that right?
I think so.
That's so cute.